Bia Kamal report bana linga bala report ke kui refugee center which ke Ethiopia ka Jordan shalat gwasame wan terminate shop ke 1.1 million wa tegereri ka ke Ethiopia kene konjela refugees ke Ethiopia ka kan refugees te South Sudan refugees ticketing di Ethiopia refugees ba ticketing wona kanitin ko ken chet ke ji Sudan gwasame ka report on chalat aid agencies ne recording top ka kwan ka jomi chigana gor ka shanga jan dangro ka pai wero jo ku kona linga tama lat kana no ne ina chiga chop ka 1.1 million ka je tel kwan mabacham a Canadian county la refugees ban je linkel ne me bu kon kulu ka la rekokien wa Ethiopia refugees wa tiga ko bike chuja long Nathan county la lwag la katup take ne ala organization shop ka diok tishi jo chicken to ka chicken warning to ka Friday akene entama ala mujala tup ke de kon chola no lwak ala fan ala tup ke akene shingwan shika kwa atikan ko bikan lwag la kana tup ala essential service malakana kam ne rishop 1.1 million people you know aken bukana caption ka kor joka men be chicken lad no Canadian Contin Shirwach ko organization dang jok government refugees and returnees service ne de kont la dear ne de content gen ko refugee kam ko la wi ni ken organization mo chicken lad na mon go telefon telekwak ci United Nations Refugee Agency chicken jo mo chicken la ke well food program chicken la do nene chicken life saving support chicken kwen pew chicken health care kenyang pola pan chicken tama chingwani chika kwa chikwak chika kwa you know Ethiopia again la Afghan second largest refugee hosting country in the world. When Ethiopia again wajara de women ka Africa me one refugees one kareda. Ta da ni chalat keje. Wa jen Ethiopia ko ne tin one ko ko nyorti be gwana ti gol. Ka jeri pod me cha hula de ken ta da nan dong bina bi chu keje. Kanen man da nan jak ngwana ko bi ka batch. O kordan ci tuok rewi ka Sudan kan kordan ci tuok ka South Sudan ci kala no kenere tandan te dor wajin chal dor chal ke Somalia ala Somalia take a drought Somalia telekon ke telme piet katen ala ten cham kan ka jekan ka UN United Nation kwen pew kana nying dol waldial ko dore ne code ke dore ne da betel piute te ten ka telenial wa cheken wo telenial mla demten ka jo chalat gwaseme wa ka kwiko shi funding cha kwa wa che 70% chekango 7% kene kono kwala use the 30% chaka nguk 7% chaka cut ke ku emergency relief supply ke jarwona me kuma Ethiopia ya karodi no bikan ngot kamlo ka refugees chang men cha funding cha ngok chere me shalin gwadme of course ngai kono no me amila rode you know chikume maraike Abiy Ahmed mala Prime Minister Rero Ethiopia chikala do nena kan be ngor mu lu kana ke jer wona mene but kan kula do nene kan me a heavy responsibility ko ntama chetel kwen mongon kenetin kontin la funding la kana ngun ke donore chikala do nene Tayiba Asen, Director General of the Refugee Ken Returnee Service. Chig mo chala do nene. Ajani shang ne mentela kwak but cha luang ke lu cha de kam ku me Ethiopia la government. Ajano de ka de lu la to ko ching wan chig ba we mean that be Ethiopia ba lok ba jitu. Madong take mo ton take. But shouldn't gwasame kene shalgati Refugees Returnee Service. Key Director Tayiba Asen Yalado nena Thine immediate international support can it contila international community to avoid humanitarian catastrophe ki koloko bichoj batuo kan it contin la refugees gwan tin contin tin role Ethiopia asasto nidia ye chelado nena kan country tin contin kula representative ne ka UNHCR igala situation a situation me bej metana tanatama agor jeno de wi na der tishunka chikala do no impact already chetung tuok ane ka pai wele dan the World Food Program ikan kon ikan ngok chikaration chikan ngok ano ka refugees shop ke 78,000 refugees Manyuno can edit jekan 40% Carodian. Ala standard settlement. Standard in entitlement. Kani and kun topke no kun mateka 1,000 calories per day. Ala less than that. Kajoran chicken lat. Kani nate tin contin moike ke 7,000 ne rekona 5 ben. Kani kondong jegamatot. Ki jekan full ration. Kani de kon tin win. Kani shaf When dana to nun charge cut again me wanyu the chon midi long right now malat kono gwasme ko ntame cha jojo gwano shunya ke sha funding charge ngok bene wan bike chuch ko ntame korun kan gawe kuma South Sudan cha dier kan ko la refugees nyen mi shunya ka jelo so na me am le rode ntame ka gi jeno de na mo de kan realika but still not yet no dong me ba control it again bajo kwen gwas me kata da na chari por me chaje non kaje ko bi konte ka shome gwa Ethiopia refugee response is on the verge of collapse. Three leading aid agencies warned it on Friday, saying a severe funding shortage could halt essential service for more than 1.1 million people within a week. The Government Refugees Returnee Service, the UN Refugee Agency, and the World Food Program say life-saving support, including food, water, healthcare, is at risk. Ethiopia is Africa's second-largest refugee hosting country, with arrivals surging due to conflict in Sudan and conflict in South Sudan and drought in Somalia. Funding shortfall have already forced a 7% cut to emergency relief supply this year. Ethiopia has honored its commitment to protect refugees, but this heavy responsibility cannot be borne by the government alone, say Tayiba Asen, Director General of the Refugees Returnee Service. She said resources are stretched to the limit and called for an immediate international support to avoid humanitarian catastrophe. Country representative for UNHCR described the situation as unprecedented and deeply alarming. The impact is already severe. In October, World Food Program WFP cut food ration for 780,000 refugees to 40% of the standard entitlement, providing less than 1,000 calories per day, and only 70,000 newly arrived refugees still receiving full rations. As food run out, families are being pushed into survival mechanism, said Zlatan Milicic, World Food Program country director in Ethiopia. He said the agency need 90 million US dollar to sustain operation for the next 6 months and may be forced to suspend all food assistance in coming months without immediate new funding. Malnourished rate in Kem now exceed 15%. Mortality among newborn and infant under 1 year rose to 4.7% this year, and malnutrition admission have more than doubled since 2024. WFP World Food Program analysis project that cutting ration from 60% to 40% will quadruple the number of refugee families with poor diet, from 1 in 10 households to 4 in 10. Negative coping strategies like skipping meal, selling asset, or pulling children from school have increased by 2/3. Water supplies have dwindled to an average of 12 to 14 liters per person daily, below the 15-liter emergency standard, and drop as low as 5 liters in some areas. Funding for 57 primary schools serving 110,000 refugee children is exhausted. The schools are set to close December 31st. The agencies warn that shutting school increase risk of early marriage, child labor, and trafficking for thousands of children. In a joint appeal, the government, UNHCR, and World Food Program urge the international community to provide financial support equal to Ethiopia's long-standing commitment to host refugees. Ethiopia has kept its door open, but it cannot bear this responsibility alone, they said. A jolin kon magwasme ataran chala regiono ka jen chang jandang jogu de kel ka pai wero to kontene de go jen obadul gor ba ka gak kanitin kon la tin atila refugees ko chala de no antama ci konjetel ci men chalin gwata me tele kon metetin ajal na kula tegoni non watun wan charin togan tama ko michi kon mi chajango ci ka jodan ci kan lat gwasme generation ne take 60% ya nyomu yoto je naga 40% munyo do ntama dong ji cheng dio je chicken bia mit ka run wang bu mi de chang dar ke chicken bia mit ka chang dar bu mi da kel run wang ba nyo loy ne ka tiang alo ke dong chang kel jen na mit na bu mit nyok me na ne to goro dong we can take ke bu konien bedetin so we can kwana mo we can manage no ka jodan salat ka ta dan chicken lat bo gwaseme ken dong be family bo ba ga force ko we can kwaken we can ka ko achiko dong der ander kwakati ga der ka kwako be kon be kulicham namo achon mi dire long dio je chana jenen me tar kaje me dan che kon to go no cha ja non so no tele kon yo to gala to chuna chu gu chu je long chit ke kam den konti rol Ethiopia jewe kam tarpam kam wona ka finyidu kam amene sharkole ki asosa ken kam do to chuna chu je long chu we banane ka Kenya wona ka Uganda nono yo kan go dialati me cha non senating konti la UN ano chi konje tel la kana loni jala tok but role Ethiopia tam murai kona ka jeri pore cha no awa bina bu shuj but kum choro permission o be 1.1 million people la refugees a jana ba ka ngod ba kam lo ka kam to dan dere kam ka ya kula do take international community ano gor ke yo to ngwan long to chop ka 90 ke ka report dan jika lat gwaseme 90 million US dollar to gorga jeno ba kwen morong ba de kula realaka ko jika la do nena antam right na awa meal nutrition rate bo jen she wene ka 15% manyodo china chi ke cheo ka tel kwan ko chamon motot mishirong no ka kani mortality rate bo among newborn kana infant ne te ka ron kel karwade she wene ka 4.7%. And meal nutrition mi jagalong jegaje ka dakwan ko mitela kwan tele mi sham kan ga la chuchkan so na mo mi chalat ka do ba chalat je bugwas wa piu botin kon mat ke refugees wa ba shika drop bane tele we re rule Ethiopia wa re dul gore chogu jandi baro primary school the tinne shop ka 110,000 refugees tegatin ke gar to gorkantin yala do ba ka dilga ka December 31st 2025 ka kwiko tele kwan ka tele funding wana mo balari galong yala do ne men gang ne tin wantin ka dul gor ka ki man gang gatin ka je o dong chede gwano mishi gurin wo dong de ga de kurit ga de ga de kan kalat dong gad bo de ka force enetin kon la shi man ken waran kwen ke men dul gor ka jen ku gad ku la gang tenone anyok bande George bo gwano dong de na de gurin bar ko je tel dul gor ka nin tam morai na chala do ko shi chare shin cha yi nyoko mukap ke je chong cha kon cha tup ko gwade wa me ne to wan ba chi kan gad kin kan wo dul gor ka ko dong bo gad bo dul gor ka tel ba cham cha gunye no bi ka rodien wo so na moni a karikin kon lat ko rodien ka je report me men chalat wa chi kume Ethiopia che gunje no be man to da lwanga ba je lwang bat ke jen chang ka jen do kel ka pai wera o me wa go je no bi dial bi kan wana long ki bi ngwan bu rin ger so not kan yodi ala funding cha kwa role Ethiopia kan de kon da refugees der gwano mi ra refugees de yente ka ngudi yente ka management mo gwa ka kui kwanda na sham jena don shi aga de sham abad ba der gwandi in ka manai ko kuyen manan tan yam mi chari po cha ela ne riti la lut kini jela to jen jo dana gorno de nyaa ye kelne me en ban nyu je kamro dien